What's up, YouTube family? Today is a very good day because every day is a good day when you wake up. But today especially because as you guys know, it's very cold in New York and New Jersey, and where we live has been very cold. So it's finally good weather outside, 60 degrees, 62, but it feels like 50 something, I don't know. But I'm heading to Five Guys. So I'm heading to Five Guys to go get us some food, me and the family, while Yas stays here with the kids. Avery's right here. Avery just got her hair done. Avery, say hi to the vlog. Whatever. She climbs the couch now, y'all, and jumps on it. Look at that. How cool is that? Anyway, I'm getting Five Guys while Yas stays with the family. And you know, and she does her hair and stuff. Cause she's doing her hair right now, so yeah, this is her doing her hair.
I'm always doing my hair.
Yeah,
in this sweater.
And this is man and his sister's thingy. Like, I don't know why he's there. He loves it. He doesn't complain, so it's okay. Say hi, puppy. You so handsome. Look at you. You so handsome. You so handsome. Why you so handsome, puppy? Yeah.
Just smile.
And she just doing her hair again, like I said. And Avery is just on the couch about to fall off. Look at her hair. Yes, her hair. Look at how beautiful her curls look. Yes, I love it, mommy. Avery. Avery here. Candy. Look, got you. Anyway, I'm going to be heading to Five Guys. See the drip? See the drip? Because y'all be like, drip check, drip check. Anyway, so I'll see you guys at Five Guys. Alright, so I'm in the car. We're gonna put our seatbelt on, check our mirrors, you know, cause we want to make sure we drive. Oop, wrong mirror. Okay, mirrors are good. It's hot inside the car, but outside it's windy. It feels like it's 52 and it's like 60 outside. You feel me? But on the way to Five Guys, we go. Actually, fun fact, guys, I used to work at Five Guys. I used to work at Five Guys for a couple months. And ended up quitting because I got a better opportunity to work at a better job with more money. But Five Guys was one of my first fast food jobs. Because I used to work at McDonald's too in Brooklyn. At the Brooklyn Mall by the Barclays Center. I used to work at that McDonald's right there. Not in the Barclays Center, the one inside that mall in Brooklyn. I used to work at that McDonald's. And that was the time that McDonald's was paying $7.15 an hour, bro. I was getting paid every week though. And I got bumped up to $7.25, and I thought I was the man at that time, bro. Now I don't want y'all to think I'm old, cause this was old long time ago. This is like, you know, back in like 2012, I think 10, I don't know. But yeah, anyway, I love Five Guys. They meat is like fresh. Take it from me, I used to work there. You know, they change the meat every day and stuff. So, you know, enough about me talking about me working at Five Guys. I'm hungry. Every time I think about burgers, I'm just like hungry. So, yeah, I'll see you guys at Five Guys. I like to do an uptown. So uptown is basically, well, my version is lemonade and fruit punch, but they don't have lemon as you can see it's unavailable. So that's okay. That's alright. No sweat. Cause I like to do Coke. I like the vanilla Coke. Vanilla Coke is real good. I don't know if you guys ever have vanilla Coke. It's really, really good. Let's get some ice in there. I don't like that much ice. You know what I'm saying? And then push. Whoa! Kinda overdid it. That's alright. And that's the vanilla. Oh, that's orange vanilla. I don't want that. Oh, snap. Wrong one. Dang, I'm sorry. I got the wrong one, guys. It's not orange vanilla. Dang. I meant to put vanilla. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. I'm so dumb. I'll put orange vanilla. I hope it doesn't taste like orange vanilla now. Y'all think it's gonna taste like orange vanilla stuff? I wanted regular vanilla. Now I can smell the vanilla. Let me try it. Alright, we good. It tastes like vanilla. We good. We good. Now I just gotta wipe the cup. So, the cool part about Five Guys is you can get peanuts while you wait. So we're gonna go ahead and get some peanuts while we wait for our food. Now, the peanuts are like free, so when you come here, you can get the peanuts and eat them. Hold on. Let it focus. I like them. Nice and seasoned too. See a little peanut inside? You can see it, right? I like to chew the shell because it's very salty. I don't know why, but I like it. And then spit it back out. I don't know, I'm weird like that. But these peanuts are good. If you ever come to Five Guys, get you some peanuts. Oh, no homo. Delicious. Alright, we made it in the car. The food's here. Gotta put the seatbelt on the food. So I'll see you when we get home, when we eat. So I got my burger right here, y'all. Y'all can see. I got my Cajun fries. Cajun fries. I got Cajun fries, y'all. Sorry guys, I'm vlogging for YouTube. This is Avery's hot dog that she got. We got Avery a hot dog. Hopefully she'll eat it. I don't know how Yas is gonna do it, but yeah, she got a plain hot dog. This is what Avery got, plain hot dog. And she's grabbing fries from up here, okay. Yas got a milkshake. An Oreo milkshake. Yas got an Oreo milkshake. Then this is her burger. And my fries, like I showed you. The good thing about Five Guys, the good thing about Five Guys is they're gonna give you fries. I got a vanilla Coke. Vanilla Coke. What is born? Hold on. Get this guy off my. Go ahead. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and double tap that screen. I'm trying to let me open the burger. I got a regular bacon burger from Five Guys. Oh, the cheese is melted. Oh, I like that.
Ooh, ay.
Look at that. Look how juicy that looks. And delicious. Look at that.
They give peanuts?
Ooh, yes sir. Yeah, I bought some
What is
peanuts.
in there?
That's my burger right here that I got.
You eating this right now?
Huh?
That's what you eating it right now?
No. So let's go ahead and have a bite of this delicious burger. Look at that, y'all. OMG, that looks good. That looks real good. Alright, bon appetit. Thank you, Lord, for this food. Bless those that haven't ate yet. Please provide a plate for them. Amen.
You want to change first?
Mmm. Mm-hmm. Hold on. They give you a lot of fries at Five Guys. That's one good thing about Five Guys, that they give you a lot of fries. I can't lie, I like it. I got the regular bacon burger. The Cajun? You have it, Papi? He wants some. The Cajun fries are nice and seasoned too. The Cajun fries are nice and seasoned. Okay, thank you for the, what was that? The Lucky Leopard, thank you. What happened, Papi? You had 2 bottles. Give me this bubble, baby.
Avery.
Ooh. How old are your babies? My youngest is my son. He's 7 months, going on 8 months. My second youngest is Avery. She's going on 2 years next month.
Going on 20.
2 year, basically. She'll be 2 years in April 10th. Then my oldest is Annalise. She'll be 12 years old, May 15th. Hello, Alejandro. My day's been good. So she's so beautiful and her mama.
Thanks. Huh? Oh yeah, hey guys. I forgot. It was just a lot going on.
I'm live on TikTok.
Wow.
Bro, it's so good.
I'm giving Avery her food, y'all. And man is having a fit because he can't have any.
Bro, I love Five Guys, bro. When's the next seafood boil? This weekend. When would I do a hood ASMR?
You get no ketchup?
Yeah, right. I need to get some more equipment. Right here, babe.
No. Rip it open.
Can you have some? Here you go. You never had Five Guys before? What? In-N-Out was better. I had In-N-Out.
In-N-Out, smash burger.
Yeah, we had smash burgers. We had both, right? In-N-Out and smash burgers, right?
I think so.
I know for sure we had smash burgers in New York, remember? Smash burger is pretty good, I ain't gonna lie.
to my burger. That is cheesy. Yeah.
What I got the regular bacon burger. 1 patty. How is Five Guys overrated? Like, how is food overrated? Like, how you overrate food? Like, how do food become overrated? Make that make sense, though. Like, people still gonna eat it, right? You still gonna eat a burger if you go to a cookout. You still gonna get a burger if you go to McDonald's or Burger King's or Wendy's. So, the whole concept of burgers and fries is never overrated. I think your opinion is overrated, but hey, that's your opinion. He said Five Guys overrated. This guy. Don't catch feelings, I'm just joking. I got stuff in my beer. I always got stuff in my beer.
It's so good.
Okay, now the price is overrated, yes. You know how much, can anyone guess how much was our order?
The price is definitely overrated.
Word. Smash burgers is fucking expensive too.
Oh.
What's up? I love you too. Back up. What's up, KJ? Love you too, Jovan. Oh, you was close. $45. Now we spend more than $45.
That's close.
60, right? How much was it? Okay.
58.
It was $58. How you doing, Miss Wanda? You want a burger? I got Cajun fries, by the way. Cajun fries are good.
Is good?
Yeah, I paid $58 for everything. They bugging, bro. And then, you know what's the crazy part? I think it's crazy they don't offer you a drink. You have to pay for the
Right,
drink.
like something's with the meal or something.
This ain't McDonald's. You can't get it your way. Five Guys, you gotta buy your own drink. I mean, they give you free peanuts. Look, what I'm gonna do with the peanuts, though?
Right, I ain't no damn elephant. Free peanuts.
Free peanuts, but you gotta buy your drink. That's right. The price is overrated, but the food is slap. Let me